In this video, I'll show you how to add a database in Replit. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Then open the project where you want to add a database. Next, click the Tools icon in the left sidebar and look for Database or the Database option available in your version of Replit. If your project uses a database integration, follow the prompts to create or connect a database. Now, once the database has been added, copy the connection details if they're provided. Store any required credentials as secrets by opening the Secrets tool and adding the necessary environment variables. This keeps your database credentials secure. After that, update your application to connect to the database using the appropriate library for your programming language. Test your application to make sure it can successfully create, read, update, and delete data. Finally, run your project and verify that your database is working correctly. As your application grows, continue managing your data through the database while keeping your connection details stored securely in Secrets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a database in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.